I am Dr. Sanjay Mehta, who looks after IVF ICSI procedure, that is ART procedures at Parak Hospital. We mainly do ICSI procedure in our clinic for all the patients. The selection of patients, after patient is selected for whatever reasons where she is unable to conceive, selecting a patient, we investigate the patient fully with hormonal profile regarding the uterine status, the tubal status. All factors are first assessed and then patient is selected for IVF. Now once a patient is selected for IVF ICSI, there are two ways by which we can do this procedure, like two protocols. One is a short protocol and another is a long protocol. Depending on the requirements, we select the procedure. Now in long protocol, the patient are usually put on GnRH agonist about 7-8 days prior to their expected periods, and then the stimulation injections are continued after second day of the period. In short protocol, patient stimulation starts immediately from second day of the period. Usually the stimulation is given for 9 days. On 10th day we give patient injection HCG for the rupture of the follicles, and 36 hours later we admit the patient. Patient is admitted, given general anesthesia, and we retrieve all the oocytes from the ovaries. Once the oocytes are retrieved, this is a workstation where we denude oocytes and make them ready for doing a ICSI procedure. At the same time, a semen sample is collected of the husband. It is centrifuged and the motile sperms are isolated. Once the motile sperms are isolated in the petri dish, we put the oocytes and semen sample, and then this is an inverted microscope where we do a procedure called ICSI, whereby a single sperm is injected into the oocyte. Once all the sperms are injected in all the oocytes are then again we transfer the petri dish under the stereo zoom microscope. Once the oocyte with the spermatic material is covered under oil, we transfer this petri dish into an incubator. This is an incubator where these embryos are kept for 48 hours. After 48 hours, once the embryo are 4 to 8 cell stage, we transfer this embryo back into the uterus of the expectant mother. This is the whole procedure of ICSI. Once this procedure is over, we put patients on injections and tablets, and the result is results we get after 14 days.